it so I can break my door down.
Sure.
Can you fly over the South Shore?
I believe we need to. Yeah, I know. Rubber band.
What about?
You need rubber bands? We got rubber bands. Yeah, sure. We're gonna do rubber bands.
Erase the tape, that over.
Hey, Bill, this is for Jim the Doors' mom. Who's got her school.
Except that one.
We're on Waller.
Yeah, really.
How old are you?
$5 million worth.
What was it? In the house apartment? First floor? What's your phone
Ambulance
number?
2765 Keeler. The GI bleeder on the first floor at 6525 Keeler.
524. That's 6 numbers. I got 6 numbers I have here.
That's right. This is GI, this is Boone's father.
3735324. What's your last name there? Sanders.
It's his mother.
You don't know what caused it.
I
You have
guess,
asthma or anything?
this is supposed to be Gene
You don't have
Fedor's
asthma?
mother over there.
What? How long you been like this? You use this phone rubber band?
Yeah, I use rubber. True, you do. Where? I don't know. You walked over with it.
You gave me that?
Yeah.
5501 South Shore.
We got rubber bands.
Is that part of the please? Thanks. Sorry, what's on the fireman, sir? Auto.
Yeah,
4545 Racing.
4545 Racine.
Right. I got 9 more.
Alright. What do you think you got an auto 4545 Racine? 4545 Racine and auto.
49 got an auto. 4545 Racine.
That's right.
Engine, and junk watch.
Ambulance
An auto
38
4545
difficulty
Racine.
breathing in the house.
4545 Racine.
47444 Forestville. 47444 Forestville.
Right. Yeah, I believe we got them all.
Yeah. Oh, no, anyway. Yeah.
Okay, let's hurry up and get ambulance 14 out, Ray.
What?
There's you got a prescription, so.
Chicago Fire Department called me. Where at?
Bill, I got a form for you to...
3711 South State. What happened out there? You with her right now? You're out. You got a coin pump? Alright, please move it over. Alright, watch for the ambulance to the place, right?
We on the way.
Yeah, the ambulance is on the way over there.
Jim? Yeah. No
Did you
answer.
get a chance to call this one?
Yeah, no answer. I thought the guy was saying it was second floor.
24, we got no answer on
Last
it.
name is Donald.
87.
What? Last name of Donald.
4448 Wentworth. 4448 Wentworth. Chest pains on the first floor.
27 to Christ Hospital, ALS 2.
4448 Wentworth.
K27 to Christ 0033.
That's right.
Yeah.
Ambulance number 4.
What?
For a seizure in the drugstore. 347 East 35th Street.
Okay, what's on fire, man? All right,
2232 West 72nd
Please
Street.
turn the front up. No, just hold on, man. Please turn the front up. All right, then. Watch for the fireman, ma'am. Okay, ma'am? Yeah, fireman on the way. All right, then. Fire.
2232 West 72 Street. Front of the house in the garage.
2232 West 72?
Right, sir.
101 the truck, you got a fire at 2232 West 72nd. 2232 West 72nd, a fire.
Truck 41 and engine 101 at 2230.
2232 West 72nd. 2232 West 72nd for 129 truck 50. Try it again, guys.
2232 West 72.
That's right, for 129 truck 50. Buggy.
20th battalion at 2232 West.
West 72.
West 72nd Street. 20th battalion.
That's right.
Figure around and use this long.
No, it's not good. That's what Jim didn't understand. He didn't catch it.
2232 West 72. 2232 West 72.
Case 35.
33, push out in the garage.
0051.
Shoot.
27 in service.
Okay, 27, you're back up at 0051. Number's gonna be 706 557, timeout 0004.
Oh, no.
Got it.
Let's go for that.
What is it?
Okay, number 1. 0051.
Everyone's 30 to trouble. I'm gonna start bringing more. That is 7811 Damon on the first floor. Got a fire 30.
31 agent.
Yes, sir, it is 7811 Damon.
7811 Damon.
One's right on one.
Just
30 years old.
Male or female?
Your number's gonna be 706560. Timeout 0019. 34 or 37.
Is he conscious now? Alert? Well, man, the fire department would send an ambulance to injured his foot. What you need to do is call for a private ambulance. The number is 637-5400.
What are you saying? What?
7811 Dana.
Are you getting no fire now?
I got it.
4462. What number did you give out for that? Info number?
665. Chicago Fire Department, Coleman.
Can't be.
What happened?
What's your address there?
Alrighty. Alright. Thank you much.
4900 State. What floor do you want? Fifth floor, what's your room number? Are you with this person right now? How old is he?
Chicago
80
Fire
years
Department.
old. Where's he having pain at, man? Where is he having pain at? What kind of problems?
Hey, what happened, sir?
Yeah, this is Schindler.
Is he conscious and alert right now?
Right. What floor is he on?
What's your phone number there?
Alright, do you know where the person is that's down?
0635.
What's your phone number, sir?
What is he doing right now, man?
Alright, please
Right.
turn the phone, sir.
Well, what's bothering him right now, man, that you called for an ambulance?
sure we're okay, please.
3260635. Watch for any ammo system over here. Please, can you read it? Alright.
And 27 and a quarter.
Ambulance 51.
Okay.
51, a gunshot victim on the first floor at 10768
Okay.
Langley.
All right,
It's 10768 Langley.
okay.
First
That's
floor,
all right. All right,
gunshot.
thanks a lot.
Police on the way for 51.
One more time, I didn't quite get what you said.
Okay,
Yeah.
it's 10768 Langley. And it's a gunshot on the one.
8543 Manor Street.
Got a gunshot out of 10768 Langley.
That's right, they're responding.
Truck 41 Englewood, head service, going home. I don't want to be by right there.
Truck 41,
Oh,
okay.
they don't need the company, are we still documenting that shit? Oh, I don't know. No, that was...
That was just the first year, I think.
8523 Madison Street, 46 in a truck.
That's right, a fire. 126 in the truck, second engine, second truck, 8543 Manistee.
Okay, 8523 Madison Street.
Both said 2-3 when I gave it.
Yeah, 8543 Manistee.
8543 Madison Street, okay.
Right.
Are you leaving? We got the
23rd
numbers.
Battalion, 8543 Manistee, 8543 Manistee.
3664.
Number 770656. Timeout 0033.
8543 Manistee, 8543 Manistee.
Ron has the exclusive details.
Unit 5 and the Better
Chicago Fire Department
Association learned today that the city is assessing damages of $200,000 against Able Fire and Safety Equipment. The company is accused of listing an ethnic minority partner on its contract bid without ever notifying, using, or paying that partner. I've got Zelt.
Yeah, because you gave it a southbound, right? Were they getting off at 103rd and Tony? Are they more, were they?
Still on the
Right, because if
Okay,
they're
alright.
getting off at 103rd, they could have gone, if they go all the way over to Stony Island,
Yeah.
you know, saying that the accidents on the 103rd and the Calumet Expressway, you could be 6, 7, 8 blocks
Yeah.
off.
Okay, well, since he said eastbound, he probably got up on 103rd and going east towards Tony.
That is absolutely correct.
I got him. Battalion 16.
Be quiet, sir.
We'll have a record address of,
Be quiet.
5159 flat.
Yeah. Okay, Battalion 16, your incident number
I'm sorry,
is
Jimmy, 45 what?
603668.
45 in the truck, you got a fire at 4520 Vincennes. 4520 Vincennes for 45 in the truck.
4520 Vincent.
That's right.
You gotta use 16.
16, yeah. 16, 4520 Vincennes, 4520 Vincennes, second engine.
Hey, Ray, get a box cut, will you?
37.
16, second pumper, 4520 Vincennes.
4520 Vincent. Second pumper.
That's right, 16. Truck 11,
Number's gonna be 70.
Will you repeat that again, sir?
4520 Vincennes, 4520 Vincennes.
4520 South Vincent.
That's right. Just for the truck, second truck.
Alright, truck 11, second truck.
4520 Vincent.
Buggy.
577.
577.
sir.
How's that? That's perfect again.
Sound like you live east McKenzie. You live east McKenzie or west McKenzie? Front room.
Like this show or not? We got some other way here.
14's returning patient refused insane.
Cave 14, coming back at 3:31. Number's gonna be 706582. Timeout 307.
Englewood, 718. We have a 50 by 75 church, storefront church, ordinary construction, one story, brick, fire in the rear.
Mystery C Battalion 18.
Please get a good readout. Racine, please. Can you meet us over there, please? 72nd Racine. Watch for the ambulances, please.
Stabbing victim on the street at 72nd and Racine. 72 and Racine for ambulance 14 on the stabbing victim.
14 is on the air.
Okay, we'll get him. Still no 14. Isn't there?
Oh, shit.
It's still green.
Yeah, leave it.
749.
Okay, ambulance 49 to 72nd and Racine, and that's for stabbing victim on the street. Police on the way to 72 and Racine.
Oh, they're out too. He's got a ticket on that.
Ambulance is 49 through the hour.
Big time
Okay,
operation.
we'll get done. So the guy died at 72nd and Racine. 30s now?
One more time.
Ambulance 30. Good.
The lake movie.
Got a good readout? 7641 Crandon. I watch for the ambulance. We'll send him over there.
What should they be ready?
46 Yard Auto at 8645 Essex. 8645 Essex and Auto
50,
46.
what should we tell them to be ready for?
8645 Essex. Auto for 46.
That's right.
These are passing out cold slightly diaphoretic. We'll be there in about 2 minutes.
Automobile 8645 Essex. 8645.
And another economically governed.
What's your phone number there? 238.
Sure, it's all designed for right-handed people. Though.
Yeah, it is. In a way, it is kind of.
Kinda.
Okay, that's good. All right, 4052.
The last pack of cigarettes are going to buy. Believe that? I took the knife pretty much to. I think I did.
Oh, go on home. Take it early quick. Go ahead.
See, it's all different now. 17. Oh, look at this guy working. Here's something for the tape. It's on the square, too. 17, you got trouble breathing. 4052, West 915. 4052, West 915.
706, 604.
He's a taxpayer. The Democrat. That's right. And hold him up. It's our neighborhood. One of our voters. Where's it at? No more school, huh?
I'm thinking of going back for advanced training.
This life.
Smile.
This is the Englewood fire alarm office.
This is the fire alarm office, fire alarm
Welcome to our
office.
home.
36 is home.
Key 36, 726.
I just said I would go for paramedic. Maybe then for brain surgery.
Who's 7-1? Now, these companies are leaving the state. We'll let us know. We don't start your leave out there. Sure will, sir.
Yeah. 29 you're there, you know your mark for his own private use. Hey, Mike Leonard, act like an operator. Close your eyes and go to sleep. Act like an operator, yeah. Do something. Well, Hey.
I didn't hear it.
I heard that. I hear what I gotta hear.
And there I am again. So, all you people out in TV land, you're sitting there having a few beers,
man has got the
morons in the
pressure.
fire alarm office.
He's got the
You'll see me.
whole
Watch
city
me
on
jump
his
into
shoulders.
action.
the trunk back.
Jump in the trunk.
Jump into it. This is the party night.
Yeah, 1637 East 87th Street, unconscious in the rectory for 22.
The restaurant is 1657.
Come on,
No,
give it out
okay.
right and they'll get it right. These new young strappers.
How much?
Shoot.
Yeah.
Right in the
Yeah, 'cause they pull things up on the board and everything else. Take a seat down.
got his head turned.
So what are you doing?
17 in Christ Hospital.
36.
17 at 7:51. You're just coming in. Oh, who's that 21 today?
Oh, we have him in great.
Ambulance 4. Ambulance 4, you got an injured child, 3617 Federal. 3617 Federal. Injured child in room 1008.